Very good morning to one and all here. Today we again start multiplication chapter 5 of grade 3rd. So today we are going to talk about multiplication and addition. How they both correlate with each other. How we say multiplication and addition दोनों ही सेम है, हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. So as you can see, I draw 3 groups with 2 peanuts each. So I am going to write the addition first. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, it becomes 6. So now I have to convert it into multiplication. So I said 3 times how many? 2 in each. So 3 times 2, it becomes 6. Very easy. So shall we see the next question here? There are 5 cookies with 3 choco chips in each. So first of all, I am going to write the addition of it. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. How many they are? They become 50. Now, I am going to talk about multiplication. So I said 5 times how many in each? 3 in each. So I said 5 times 3 is equals to 15. As you can see here, 5 times 3 is equals to 50. Here we talk about the groups. Here we talk about the object in that group. Okay. Now, multiplication is basically a shortcut for repeated additions. Multiplication जो होता है बेटा, that is a short form of addition. वो किसका short form होता है? Repeated addition. So as I have to write 2 plus 2 plus 3, 2, or you can say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and so and so and so. So how should we cut it out work? हम हमारे काम को कैसे short form में करके करेंगे? So I said 3 times 2 or I can say 5 times 3. So we converted our repeated additions to the multiplication. Okay, we can go to see one more question here. As I am having 8 plus 8. So, how many groups I need? I need 2 groups. I'm going to draw it for you. We need 2 groups. And in 2 groups, how many objects we need? Yes, we need 8 objects in all. So, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I said 8 plus 8 is 16. So 2 times 8 is become 16. Okay? So one more question we are going to do. So there are total 6 groups. As you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 groups. In all 6 groups we have 2 holes, or you can say any object, you can say raspberry and any other thing in each. So I said 6 times 2, it becomes 12. It becomes 12. So now I am going to write its repeated addition. मैं इस question का repeated addition देती हूँ. So what I have to write? This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this, then so and so and so and so and so. So I have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So it becomes 12. So these are so many 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and I have to repeat it again and again to make our addition. So it becomes too long. So how should I cut it? मैं कैसे इसे कम कर सकती हूँ? So basically I just do 6 times 2, it becomes 12. So I hope you all understand how repeated additions, or you can say addition, correlate with multiplication. Multiplication is just a shortcut of repeated addition. बार बार जो हम additions करते हैं उसको cut short करके short form में करना, that is called the repeated addition. Now we are going to see some more questions related to this. chapter. So now we are going to see some more questions of practice exercise 5A. Find using repeated additions. As we already discussed, addition and multiplication both are correlate with each other. So we are going to do 27 multiplied by 3. So when we write it in repeated addition, so we have to write 27 3 times. So 27, 27, 27. So shall we start doing addition first? So 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many? 7 plus 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So it's 1 and carry 2. Okay? So 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many? 6. Plus 2, it becomes 8. So 27 multiply 3, it becomes 81. Okay? Now, we are going to see the next question. 15 times 5. 15 times 5. So, we are going to write 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 and plus 15. So, shall we start addition first and then we are going to take our multiplication. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, it becomes 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 means 5 here and 2 here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it becomes 75. So you can say 15 times 5 is equals to 75. Or you can say we add 15 5 times, so we got 75. Now, we come to the next question. It's 40 times 4. 40 times 4. So, 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. So, shall we start 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it becomes 0. Okay? Now, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, it becomes 16. So my answer is 160. My answer will be 160. This is question number A, B and C of exercise, practice exercise 5A in your book. You have to solve all the questions in your copy as well as your book also. So I hope you all understand how we can do repeated addition with multiplication. So, thank you for today's session. I hope you all get so much knowledge with this.